JK, it's not really a Minecraft tutorial. It's way better than that. Alright. Chapter 7 practice test. I think you all know how to do this. Just be careful with your negatives. Now, we're going to do the problems that people requested first, the blue ones. And then I'm going to do the others that we have time for. Okay. Numero cinco. What color do you want, Barbie?
I don't care.
Okay, let's do purple. Let's hear it for Barbie.
Pink.
No, I already said purple. Okay.
But Barbie's pink.
Oh, true. Oh, that is true. Okay, pink for Barbie. Okay. All right, the total cost for renting a jet ski is this. I haven't looked at this problem yet. Okay. What is the constant? Okay, so this is just vocabulary. What is the constant?
50.
That is correct. Good job. That's it? You don't want to do any more? Okay, let's hear it for Barbie. Okay, now by the way, this is the way you can remember that. If I'm selling M&Ms or manicures, let's say I'm selling manicures, doesn't matter. What else should I sell? Macaroni. Okay, I'm selling macaroni. I had macaroni this weekend. It was homemade with all real cheese. It was amazing.
Oh, cool.
You guys ever had amazing mac and cheese?
No.
Anyway, so let's say you're selling mac and cheese, and you have a store, and every time you sell a mac and cheese, you get $2.50. Now that's not much money, but I'm just showing you this for a reason. Now every day you can calculate how much you made by how many you sold, right? So answer me this question, everybody. Is the amount you sold of macaroni going to be the same every day?
Yes.
No. It varies. And varies means it changes, right? So sometimes we use an equation for something that changes. It's called a variable. Now, the word constant in the English language means it doesn't change. In other words, every day I open the store, it costs $50 for the electricity. I'm just making it up, whatever. So $50 to pay my employees for the hours the store is open. So that means no matter what, it's always going to be $50, no matter what day it is. Am I right? Okay, cool. Did that help? So that's how you remember what a constant is. A constant is the thing that won't change, which is a number. Variables will change. Okay, simplify. Are you coming up to the front? Do you have a code name?
Gummy Goo.
Gummy Goo, whatever that means. Let's hear it for Gummy Goo. Is that a character from a thing?
Yeah, you need to watch episode 2.
Episode 2 from
Digital Circus.
Digital Circus.
Yeah, awesome.
Anybody else seen the Digital Circus? I watched it a little. It's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, so here we go. So I think we're going to have to distribute. Do you see it?
Yeah.
What are we distributing, Gummy Goo?
We are distributing the 2. Or wait,
the
no.
Negative
the negative 2.
two. The negative 2. Careful. So I'm going to put arrows because I always put arrows when I distribute. Arrow to there means we're multiplying times that. Arrow to there means we're multiplying times that. And arrow to there meaning we're multiplying times that also. Now remember, this is a negative 2. All right? Not a minus 2. Oh, I just did a boo-boo. Redo. Okay, cool. So help me out. Negative 2 times x squared?
Negative 2x squared.
Correct. Negative 2 times negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1x?
Negative 2x.
Negative times negative. Right?
2x.
Is positive 2x. And then negative 2 times positive 2?
That's just negative 4.
Negative 4. So that's Dorito Man again. Negative times positive.
Question.
Did I do it right?
What about the exponent on the x?
Oh, I forgot to write it. I'm sorry. That's right. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. My marker's a little thick, so it's a big 2. Anyway, so now we can't forget about these. We need to combine like terms. So I'm going to use colors because I'm fancy like that. Okay, x squareds and the x squareds go together. That's like Xbox times 1,000. It's like the super duper new Xbox that costs more. Okay, this is the regular Xbox, which is a different price. The SU. And then the numbers are constants. Thank you. And they stay the same. Bless you. Oh, that orange is not working, is it? Let's try.
Galaxy.
I don't have another color. Yeah, I can do galaxy. Let's do galaxy, but I'll just put an arrow. So this guy is gonna combine with this guy. Okay, Gummigo, you wanna help out?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so 3x combined with negative 2x
Makes.
is. Oh wait.
Yeah, 3 minus 2.
We need to do
Good guys, bad guys,
Good guys, bad guys.
but we could just do 3 minus 2.
Okay, yeah.
So 3 minus 2 is positive 1, right?
Yeah,
So it's positive 1, which you don't have to write the positive 1. You can just write x squared.
So yeah.
Okay, x squared. What about the green?
The green is that's could that just be 2 minus 2?
That's 2 minus 2. So it's 0x. So we don't even write the x.
That doesn't
Don't write
even
0x.
exist.
I mean, if you wrote this on a test, I wouldn't mark it wrong, but you really don't need to write 0 of anything. Okay, and then 7 minus 4.
7 minus 4 is 3.
Exactly. So you could write it like that, or you could, usually we write it like this, x squared plus 3. Yay! Okay, cool. How many people got that answer? Ooh, I know some people didn't get to it yet. All right, number 10. All right, I think something's going to All right, 2/3 is going to go there. 2/3 is going to go there. Oops, that was weird. 2/3 is going to go there. Hey, how you doing, Mr. Henderson?
Dandy.
Great. Everybody going to say hi to Mr. Henderson really loud?
Hi.
What's up, man?
Tuesday.
Do you need something from me, or do you need
I
a
don't know
student?
any of this stuff, so
Oh,
therefore
come
you
on.
guys don't need to know any of this stuff,
Oh,
right?
stop it. He's being silly. Okay, do you need somebody?
I don't know. Did I send a slip for you?
No, I didn't get one.
Sounds good then. Never mind. This guy's. Oh, sorry, guys. This is important.
Okay, actually, this is being recorded on YouTube. You're going to be on YouTube. Okay, 3/4 is going to go over there. 3/4 is going to go over there. Okay, what's 2/3 of 6? Well, we can do that without the whole fraction thing, can't we? Right? Right? We reduce this 1 and 2, it would be 4. Or you can just think, what's 2/3 of 6, which is 4. I'm going to erase it. But if you want to go back and rewind your YouTube, you can. So 2/3 of 6 is 4x. Okay, what's 2/3 of 3?
2.
2. And don't forget, it's positive times negative. Okay, 3/4 times 20. Well, what's 1/4 of 20? 5. So 3/4 of it is 15x. Okay, 3/4 of 8?
6.
6. Now you can do all of those separately, but I'm going a little faster. Okay, now what? Are we done? Nope. We need to combine like terms. So I'm going to do green. Which one does 4x match with?
15x.
15x, and then the numbers by themselves. I'm going to use orange this time, because that's not one of my favorite colors. Okay, help us out, Gumagoo. That's fun to say. All right, go ahead.
Okay, so 4 plus 15 is 19. So 19x.
19x boxes.
And then 6 minus 2 is 4.
Perfect. Good guys win. Okay, perfect. Are we done, or do we need to simplify that?
No, that's about it.
We are done. You cannot simplify this. That was a trick question. Okay, this one's easy. Okay, how do we do this one? Now, since x squared, x squared, x squared are all the same, these are all like
0.
terms. So that means we can combine them all with good guys, bad guys. So, positive 6, I'm just going to put the numbers in there. Positive 6, negative 7, positive 1. Type equation here. Is that on your paper? Okay. I don't know where that came from, but I could get some. I don't really have a white anyway. Let's just. Oh, I'll scribble it. Get out of here, you thing that shouldn't be here. Okay.
How
All right. Let's do good guys, bad guys, just for fun. 6 good guys.
7 bad guys.
7 bad guys. 1 good guy. Okay, that means the score is 7. Is that? Oh, it's 0. It's a tie. The answer is 0. You just need to put a 0. I put a line through it so it doesn't look like an O. 0, because good guys score 6. Good guys score another 1. So the score is 7-7, which is a tie.
Yeah,
Nobody
how
wins.
I'd go about it is 6 plus 1 is 7 minus 7.
Yeah, so you could do 7 minus 7 exactly. That's what it is. It's the same thing. Very good, Gummy Goo. The answer is 0. You don't have to write the word. I'm just being extra clear. So you just need to write a 0. I just want to make sure you don't think it's a O. So I put a line through it. Okay. No wonder you guys were asking about that one. Okay, and 16 is a trick question. What's the answer? Who wants to say it? Who wants to say it? Who wants to say
This
it?
cannot be factored.
This is the
Thank
answer.
you, everybody who said it. This
Cannot be factored.
cannot be factored. Huh?
So do you just write no on
yeah.
the paper?
Do we need to do that one? Okay, 18. Write a simplified expression for the perimeter. Okay, what does perimeter mean?
Length times. Oh wait, no.
Adding up all the
All
sides.
adding.
So we've got another 5x plus 1, and we've got another 4x minus 1. Okay, so we got to add up all our like terms. Oh, gee. 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5. What does that make? That makes 16. Ooh, I pushed the wrong button. Oopsie daisies. Oopsie daisies. There it goes. Okay, correct. 18. 18 X boxes. And then 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is 0. Answer is 18X. But if you wrote plus 0, I wouldn't mark it wrong. Okay? Any questions? Any questions? No?
No.
Okay. 20. Write an expression to show how much greater the cost is for a weekend ticket than a weekday ticket. Okay, weekend and weekday.
So
Okay, so whatever the weekend ticket is more, isn't it?
yeah.
So it's going to be weekend minus to see how much more it is, right? Like if I make $10 one day and $5 the next day, and they say how much greater, or it's actually in the wrong order, I think, in this problem. So if I make $17 one day and $36 the next day, and they say how much greater, you always take whatever's more and subtract. Does that make sense? So whatever's more, which is the weekend, we're going to do that minus weekday. Okay, so now we just have to put our letters in, our variables, our variables, and that's it. So can you help us, Gum Goo? You want to pick a color?
Yellow.
We can't write in yellow.
Green then.
Green, okay. Go ahead.
Okay. So if it's weekend minus weekday, I just start with weekend. 15x plus 18 minus 6x plus 7.
Okay, I'm tricking you. How did I mess up? That's wrong. Nobody knows what's wrong?
Parentheses.
Very good. Yeah, if you don't have a parentheses here, then you would have the wrong amount in there for 7. So don't forget these parentheses. Minus, and you know how to say, does anybody know how to say it when you read it out loud like that? It starts with a Q.
Continents.
Nope.
Question.
No, you would say minus the quantity,
Quandary.
which means putting parentheses over the whole thing.
Okay, I got it. then.
Isn't that fun? I just taught you something new today. Yay! Yeah, something. Woo.
I understand it now.
This is so quirky.
All right. Okay. Now write an expression to show. Now this is a little bit vague because did we write an expression? Yes, but we didn't simplify it. So it didn't say whether or not to simplify it on the problem. So let's pretend. What if it said write in simplest form. Okay, write in simplest form. Write the algebraic expression in simplest form. So now we have to finish it, right?
Yeah.
So what do we do?
So I
Distribute. Very good. What do we distribute?
the negative.
The negative 1. Sorry, somebody else was answering. Good,
That's fine.
dummy goo. So we got 15x plus 18 minus 6x, and then we're going to change the sign too. Okay? 15 minus 6, everybody. 9x. And 18 minus 7, 11. Okay, so that's simplified form, if it asks you for it. Cool, so we did all the ones people requested. We got 2 minutes left. Anybody else want another problem? Yeah.
No.
Which one, 7? Okay, 7. I would be happy to do 7. Okay, goodbye to Gummy Goo. You did very good, the gummy. Well, yes? Only because I have to do it super quick. So let me just do it super quick. Sorry. But thank you for offering. Okay, let me highlight. Hey, don't pack up yet. We got a little time. Okay, whoopsie daisies. Okay, where is it? Okay, 3x boxes, 8x boxes, 5x boxes. We're going to add those together. And then 2, -9, and 3. So we don't need good guys, bad guys, because this is all positive. So 5 plus 8 plus 3 makes 16. Is that right? And then negative, you can probably do this in your head, but 2, bad guys, good guy. Okay. Okay, bad guys win by 4, right? Bad guys won the game by 4 points. So bad guys won by 4. You could factor that, but you don't have to factor it, even if it's the simplest form. Any question? Yeah, I'm going to give you extra tests, of course. Okay, bye.